what does it mean to me? It means everything to me. Both my parents were born in Port-au-Prince, and I always think about that I could have been born in Haiti. I was born in Queens, New York. So Haiti will always have like a special place in my heart because both my parents are from there.
Haiti, for me, means revolution.
A rich culture, a rich people. We're resilient, we're fighters, and we're survivors.
Haïti, c'est mon cœur. Haïti, c'est ma vie.
Such a great country. We have so much to offer.
Haiti's life, Haiti's me, Haiti's all of us.
Haiti Global Village is a movement.
It's time that we stop being reactive to disasters, to political turmoil, to the negative things that are happening in Haiti, and start being more proactive.
We grew tired of waiting on other organizations to take care of our country.
The goal of the Haiti Global Village is to initially raise $1 million among Haitians, the Haitian Diaspora, and friends of Haiti who really believe they can initiate change in Haiti.
It's something that was needed yesterday. It should have been done a long time ago.
To become a part of Haiti Global Village, the first thing you should do is visit our website, HaitiGlobalVillage.org, and become a member. You can host an event. You can tap into your resources and help us maybe find a space, or connect us with some folks who might be able to donate or who want to participate in a way that's on their own terms and is engaging and is fulfilling.
Haiti Global Village is necessary because we're at a point where everyone needs to get involved.
It's important because it gives everyone an opportunity to do hands-on activities when it comes to Haiti.
If you want to find a way to get engaged with Haiti, if you're looking to be part of a project that's sustainable and is all about growing, the Haiti Global Village is for you.
We have a village structure and a village model. Everyone knows each other, and it's about us holding each other accountable and getting the projects done and coming up with solutions.
So we need an organization like this. We need a community at large, not only locally, nationally, and global.
Our goal is to work on sustainable development projects that will change the direction.
It's a good platform to get the word spoken and people to hear about it and learn about it.
When I see Haiti, I see an example of how the diaspora has the opportunity to come together and create institutions on our own terms.
My hope is that the narrative just changes. Definitely the way we're portrayed and represented in media is always usually in a negative light. It's usually in a poor, demonizing way, and that's just not the reality of Haitians.
I can't wait for the day where having an election in Haiti is just a regular day for everybody.
I would hope that with that we don't just sit back, but that not only we see a change, but it's a change where Haitians can claim back their personality, their essence.
My hopes and dreams for Haiti is for everyone to be united and for everyone to help Haiti. I think it takes a team of people. I think it's talking positivity, and I think it's just everyone coming together and making a big change for Haiti.
I believe that if we all come together and start thinking more positively and working together to aid not only Haitians in Haiti, but Haitians around the world together, we could make great things happen.
The best way to keep in touch with the Haiti Global Village is through social media. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We're constantly posting information about events that we're having, and it's one of the best ways to engage directly with Haiti Global Village members and find out ways that you can get involved and be part of the village too.
Qui